Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is James Edwin. Okay, so on today's video, I'll be showing you how to get models for your designs, for your club designs. Because I've been getting a lot of DMs on how do you get your models. Some people are asking me, should it's the same Pinterest that we are using. Okay, so I'm showing you how to download those images from Pinterest. Because I can assure you that you can't get these models from Google. You can't get them from Freepik, because it's kind of depicting nudity, you understand? But we all know we need it for our design. As club designers, events designs, you need it. So you can get those designs from Google, from Freepik, from Pixabay and all that. So the best place to get this model is from Pinterest. Okay. So the thing is to know the right keywords to search. So this is my Pinterest account. So here is the models, this kind of models, the set of models that I use for my designs. These sexy models, you understand how to get these models. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's quickly jump into it. Okay, so I will just search models here. Sorry about that. Let's type models. Okay, so these are the results. So basically Pinterest has a way of suggesting more ideas for you based on your recent search, you understand? Okay, let's just say this is your first time searching for sexy models. You won't actually get them, because let's say you're used to searching club flyer ideas, club flyer templates, church flyer ideas, church flyer templates. They'll be giving you more ideas relating to church flyers, you understand? If you have Pinterest on your phone, you notice that sometimes you receive a notification a new pin has been added to your feed, understand? So they're giving you more ideas based on your recent searches. That's how like the algorithm works. Okay, so this is basically what I use for design, and it's basically what I search every time. I don't really stress anymore. Some models that I have, I don't search for them. I just open Pinterest and I see them, and I'll be like, oh, this model has been needing this model for a long time now. And I just see the model without even searching, just like that. Understand? So since it's your first time, if you search models now, let's spend like 15 to 20 minutes here downloading models, then you close your Pinterest and come back again, you will see more models. They will suggest more for you. Okay, that's just the basic thing. That's just how to get it. So this one now, I think I'll definitely get this one. I'll use it for design, maybe probably create a tutorial on it too. So these are sexy models, you understand? You get these models from Freepik, you won't, because it's kind of depicting nudity now. These are sexy models, you can get them, you can use them, like all the models, 80% of the models I've used them for designs. I've used this one, I've used this one here, I've used this one. 80% of the models I've already used them like for designs. Okay, so if I should design from now until next year, I can't finish the models I have. Anything you're doing, don't let this model catch you. No let this model catch you. What's her name again? Oba something, Oba Rose here. She reached out to me on Instagram and said I should take down all the flyers I made using her pictures. I thought this was a joke. She said her legal team will reach out to me, and funny enough they did. I had to beg, I had to plead. She's a model and she's under a modeling agency, so using her images is not really okay. So avoid her images, you understand? So these are sexy models. These are like dope models you can use for your designs. These are like plain dope models, sexy models you can use for your club flyer design. The more you search, the more you get more ideas, you understand? Let me download this one. I've used this one for design, so there's no stress here. The more you search for models, the more you get more ideas. These are more ideas relating to what you search. The more you search, the more you get more ideas. So then there are also a set of other models that I like to use. Sometimes I don't like to use unclad models that are naked or too revealing, understand? I just want to do something portrait, like something like this. Let me check my profile. So I just want to do something like this now, just the portrait of the model. I don't need the naked model. So we'll just go back, search for a popular clothing brand. Let's just search for Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton model female. Okay, so I don't want to use an unclad model. I don't want to use naked model. So sometimes I just want to use portrait image of the model. So I search on Louis Vuitton models, Versace models. Then this is where you get this type, these portrait-like models. I have this one. I've used this one for design. I've used this one. I've used this one for design. This is how you get this particular type of models. Mostly the portrait type of models. This one goes hard too. I've used this one for design too. You understand? So this is how you get your models. I've used this one for design too. This particular model. I've used this one for this particular one. Let me check. This is the. Let me check the file I use it for. This is the model here. This is the model here. Okay, so that's how you get your models. There's no magic in it. It's the same Pinterest all of us are using, just based on your searches to be giving you more ideas based on your search. Okay, there's no magic there. Okay, guys, thank you. If you like what we're doing here, kindly subscribe. I'll be dropping more tips on how to get resources.